Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to use a soundboard on Roblox voice chat on mobile so you can play sounds or effects while talking with friends in games. First, make sure that Roblox voice chat is already enabled on your account. You can check this by opening Roblox, going to Settings, then Privacy, and confirming that voice chat is turned on and your account is verified. Next, install a mobile soundboard app from the App Store or Google Play Store. There are many apps that allow you to store short audio clips and play them with a tap. After installing the app, open it and upload or record the sounds you want to use, such as memes, sound effects, or short voice clips. Now, open Roblox and join a game that supports voice chat. Make sure your microphone is active and working. Once you are in the game, switch back to your Soundboard app and play a sound while your microphone is still active. Since your phone's mic is picking up the audio from the device speakers, other players in the voice chat will hear the sound through your microphone. For the best results, keep the volume balanced so your voice and the sound effects are both clear. Using short clips usually works better during conversations. With the right setup, you can add fun reactions and sound effects while chatting with other players in Roblox voice chat on mobile. Subscribe the channel for more videos.